Alright, here we are people. 20 tonne of MOT being delivered by the one and only Long Cliff Quarries.
Boom, baby, boom! Challenge. Ready! Mount. Ready!
Big mountain to get in today, people. Good old shovel and barrow. Alright, so making a dent in it, people. Go, look what that genie's up to. I'll tell you what he's up to. So he's compacting at MOT sub base. As we're coming up by quite a large amount, we're going to do it in increments, so about 100mm increments. That way it's compacted right the way through the sub base, not just the top layer. We filled in that void. Now we've got fairly even base platform. Jack's just going to whack that all down. So that's our foundation layer. Might do 2 more compactions after that. Alright, what's up guys? So we told you it was episode 100. So we thought just for you, we're going to shovel and barrow in 20 tonnes. Just for you guys at home, just to watch us suffer. Alright, what's up guys? We've been getting quite a few comments and story replies asking, why aren't we using a digger and a dumper? My answer is we are. This is dig, this is
This is dumb, this is purr.
Ha!
20 tonne train coming through, carrying the 20 tonne.
Alright guys, we promised you Vlog 100. Thanks for coming along on the ride. We organised it for you. We had to pull a few strings, left, right and centre. Strings all over the place, been pulling them. We've managed to achieve it, haven't we?
Yeah.
We brought in the big dog.
We've got some on.
The big guns.
Yeah. The 20 tonne guns weren't enough, so we brought in the 30 tonne guns.
Brought in a machine. You know him. We love him.
Yeah, everyone was saying get a machine in.
So we did.
Yeah.
You all know him. You all love him. We love him. It's the one and only.
Greg Dino!
Greg Dini!
Alright. Do you need some help?
There we go.
Greg
See?
Dini!
Hey man, Greg Dino! Greg Dini! Even bought his shovel, always comes prepared, never empty-handed. So we're going to absolutely smash out this 20 tonne.
It's just started raining, so we're going to crack on.
Absolutely perfect.
You ready, Greggy?
Yeah.
Right.
Let's get to it.
Choo-choo train in the choo-choo rain.
Bit of a nightscape shot going on here. It's about 7:30. Pretty much 12 hour for us, isn't it?
Yeah, not about that.
So, as you know, the most important part of any job is the clean up.